Today, I'll show you how to switch a video between the main track and the overlay track. This is super helpful when you want to change how clips are layered, especially for picture-in-picture edits. Let's get started. First, import your footage into CapCut. On the main track, your video appears as the primary clip on the timeline. To move this clip to the overlay track, tap on the video to select it. Now look at the toolbar below. You'll see an option called Overlay. Tap it, and instantly the clip is shifted from the main timeline into the overlay section above. This lets you easily resize, reposition, or layer it over other clips. Now, if you want to bring this clip back to the main track, simply tap the overlay clip again. From the toolbar, choose Main Track. Just like that, the clip jumps back to the main timeline, returning to its original priority and layout. This flexibility is great when you're experimenting with picture-in-picture layouts or adjusting how effects stack in your project. So that's how you switch a clip between the main track and the overlay track in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tips and tricks.